Today I'm going to be doing a almost full face of MAC Cosmetics. Whatever I don't have from MAC, I will replace it with something else, but I have everything here in this makeup bag. The MAC stuff that I'm going to be using for today. Going in with the MAC eyebrow pencil in the color Spiked. So while I'm doing my eyeshadow, I want my primer to sit. I'm actually going to use this here, this little sample that I got when I got my MAC foundations. I don't remember what this is, but it's some kind of serum. She said it's good for oily skin. I don't know what HR mean. I might have to look it up and see if this is the same thing, but I'm going to use a little bit of this. I haven't tried it yet, but she didn't put that much in here. But I'm just gonna see. Hopefully it don't make me oily, but you know, like everybody, oily skin is different. I'm gonna use another primer, actually another mattifying primer in the areas where I get super oily. Using this MAC eyeshadow palette that I purchased a few weeks ago, and I hauled this to you guys. This is the Connect in 4 Future Flame palette. Here are the colors. Yeah, here are the colors right here. So, and the names are on the back. I'm going to use the shade right here. I think this one is called Embark. I want to say Embark is like one of their regular shades. It was really brown. Ooh, like a deep dark brown. I really like MAC eyeshadows. Now, I have came across some that were like a hit or miss, but for the most part, I like them. I think because I like them because they're MAC. But yeah, we're just gonna start off with, you really need just a little bit of that because that is really pigmented, as you guys can see. But we're gonna go in and blow that out in the crease. And then we're going to clean that up with another shade, but you just need to kind of gradually build that shade up. And I'm going to flick that in my lash line and just kind of blow it out in my crease. I want to take this here color. This one is called What's the Pointillism? Let me see if y'all can read it. It's right here. This color right here. What's the Pointillism? I guess they were trying to make up a word, or like take a word and switch it around. But I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna blend out the edges with that color. It's like a burnt orange color. If I want to do this here shimmer up here or this one right here, I don't know. I kind of want to do this one. It's a little bit more subtle, but this one is pretty. And with this one is called, this one Amber Lights. Amber Lights for sure is one of their eyeshadows, and I want to say I have that in a single eyeshadow, if I'm not mistaken. Then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. This one is called La Vida Mocha. La Vida Mocha. And I'm just gonna take the other side of the same brush and I'm gonna put it towards the end right here. It could blend right in with that brown. That very first shade that we used. Then I'm gonna go back into Embark. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of that to clean up this area and in my crease a little bit. I'm gonna go back into that other shade that we used to blow out the edges. Which one is that? That one was, wait a minute. I told you guys the wrong shade. This shade right here, this shade is called this shade is called Blockchain Brick. Girl, Wrong. Uh-oh, I done messed up an eyeshadow. This shade right here, this shade that we use to blend out the edges, is called Block Chain Brick. Like, just put the names on the front, because you're confusing me. But anywho, we got that down. So that's the palette. We probably go back to the palette, but I am going to do some eyeliner. Going to be doing mascara, so we're going to use the MAC Magic Extension. This is just a little sample. I'm most likely going to mix this in with something else, like another mascara, because this may or may not do anything for me. Yeah, it might be dried out, to be honest with you. Yeah, it's dried out. Girl, ain't nothing on here. Yeah, I must have used it all. Yeah, it ain't doing nothing. Yeah, it's dried out. I know there are tricks to like kind of like warm up your mascara, but I don't be doing all that. Like, once I can't get anything else, that's over with. So I'm just gonna go in with my mascara combination. One of you all asked me anyway, so this is what I use. I use the Lancome Monster Big Mascara, and then I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. So I go in with the Maybelline first. Instantly, like, extend my eyelashes, as you guys can see. And the way I put on my mascara, I put it all over first. I put it all over first, and I try to mimic like me wearing like half lashes. So I would like put my mascara towards the side. Like, I'm brushing it towards the side because I want to mimic me having on like a half lash versus making it look like a whole lash. And I'm gonna go in with the Lancome. This mascara is so good. I always purchase one when it goes on sale. I haven't purchased one you see the difference? I haven't purchased one, I think, the last 2 years, because I already had backups, so I was like, let me use my backups first. But if it goes on sale this year, I definitely need to get one. But this seals the deal. Like, this is so good. It's such a good mascara. I love it. It just works well with any mascara. The Maybelline mascara is good as well. So, just the one. I just got a little baby sample. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that brown eyeshadow. I feel like it got faded out. So we're going to be putting on foundation. I have the MAC Studio Fix Fluid 24-Hour Matte Foundation, and I have the shade number N47. I have N47, and then I have Nc50, and I can get away with both of these, but I recently mixed the two together, so that's what I'm gonna do. And it didn't look bad, so I did like 2 full pumps of the Nw47, and then we're gonna do 2 full pumps of the Nc50. I try to make sure I get my ears. Okay. So I don't have any matte concealer, so I'm just going to use what I have. Let me know what concealer you guys use from MAC. But I'm just going to use the Tarte concealer. And I'm just going to take my black opal and set underneath my eyes. Okay, to set my face, I have this loose setting powder from MAC, and this is in the color Dark Deep, but it's too dark. I found it at, where did I find it at? I found it at Marshall's, but I don't know, it doesn't look, it's right, where is it? Where you go? Hold on, let me wipe my hands. It looks dark, but like when I swatch it, it doesn't look that bad. Like the that little protection thing right there, but here's the color, so they don't look too bad. So we're gonna try it. So I don't have any bronzer from MAC, like, which is weird, but I do have this here blush in the color Swiss Chocolate, and I want to say people use this as a bronzer, but I think I'm just going to be smart because that's something that I want to test out. I think I'm going to put on a regular bronzer and then maybe put that on top. I refuse to be looking crazy. I'm just going to use a regular bronzer that I already have. I might have to throw this bronzer away because it's just not the same, because it broke and I repressed it, but I don't know, it's just not giving how it used to. I mean, is it there? I actually have two blushes here. This one is blunt. Now I probably could have used the blunt as a bronzer. Let me know, you guys, because I mean, I don't know. This is blunt right now that I am putting on. I'm gonna go in with Swiss Chocolate a little bit. All right, that's enough on the cheek, girl. Go in with this MAC highlighter. I was gonna use Gold Deposit. I'm like, everybody use Gold Deposit. So I got this shade right here. It's called Glow With It, and I think I found this at Marshall's. It's like a nice subtle highlighter. It's really nice. It's something soft. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. I like that. For my lips, I'm gonna go ahead and use Chestnut from MAC, of course. Now I'm using the shade Acting Natural. Acting Natural. I haven't forgot about doing the nude lip video, so I will do it, but this one is called Acting Natural. This is one of the new shades that I got. Oh, that's pretty. This is my first time trying it on. Okay, that's enough. That's really pretty. I like that. And then I'm just gonna take the MAC lip gloss and put it over. I don't want it that bright. Tone it down. I'm just gonna take a lip brush. But that is pretty though. I like that. The gloss makes it really pretty. I gotta fix my eyebrows. Spray my face with the MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to use this just to break down the makeup, just to melt it, and then I'm going to go in with the One Size mattifying spray. But I do want to get the mattifying one because this one, I'm not going to use a lot of this, but it does make me oily. I'm gonna use my mini one because the big one, okay, that's enough. I don't know, the top is broke on this one. Okay, so I'm back. So this is the final look with me using some MAC products. Like I said, I don't have a lot of MAC products, but I would love for you guys to comment down below and let me know what's your favorite MAC products. I need to get a bronzer, a face powder. I need to get concealer. Yeah, I just need to go to the store and get a few things. If you guys enjoyed this here video, I'm about to get ready and go to church. Anyways, I will see you guys in another video. Make sure you guys comment down below. Then make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.